Good morning, Lions. Today is Tuesday, January 23rd, 2024. Welcome to another awesome day of learning here at Lamar Elementary. We know it's going to be a great day because you are going to roar like a lion. Respect, on task, achieve, and responsibility. All right, Lions. Today's weather calls for mostly sunny skies with a high of 62. The green air quality flag is flying, which means the air is good for everyone. We should be done with the rain. I'm keeping an eye out because they always say it is, and then sometimes we get more. But it looks like we're going to have some clouds, but we're going to have some sun. So, Lions, you can be on the playground today unless it rains, but stay out of the mud. Don't play in the areas that are flooded or muddy. Okay? Stay out of the mud. All right, lunch today, we will be having jumbo beef taco or breakfast for lunch, sausage and waffles. Birthdays. Today we will have, we have no birthdays for the next couple of days. So there you go. Attendance yesterday with 36 absences, 41 tardies, 480 out of 516. That was 93% again. Come on, Lions. We went 95 or higher. Classes yesterday with perfect attendance, Abad, Charrington, Gengrass, and Hope. All right, Lions, today is a regular day schedule, and our TK and kindergarten students will be going on their field trip. Super excited for them. Next week, our 6th graders will go on their field trip. We have 2 field trips in February, one for 1st grade and 2nd grade. 3rd grade in March has Farm Day, and we are still waiting on the dates for 4th and 5th. So once I know those, you guys, I'll get those to you for 4th and 5th grade. But you will have field trips as well. Okay? We have soccer practice after school today and tomorrow, and we have a game at Freedom on Thursday. So yes, before I thought Freedom would come here, but they were able to come together and get at least 2 fields at Freedom. One is a little smaller than the other, so the girls will play on the smaller field, the boys will play on the bigger field, but we will be able to go to Freedom and play at Freedom. So super excited about that. Testing continues this week with our 3 through 6th graders. You guys are going to be started working on math. So I want you guys to do me a favor. Have a piece of paper there. For those of you that need to do your tic-tac times, do that first before you start the test. So it's there and it's ready for you. Work out the problems, Lions. There's nothing wrong with putting them on paper and working them out. Make sure also that you're answering all the parts of the questions. Some of those math questions, especially when we get into 5th and 6th grade, have multiple parts. So make sure you're answering each part of the question. All right, Lions? Because I know you can do this. I am so excited to see how much growth you've made in math. All right, Lions. And don't forget to bring your tickets to the cafeteria for those of you who are earning them for being on task and really showing responsibility. All right. Yesterday's trivia question. What color is the top of the rainbow? It's red. I had multiple people tell me. Lillian Rodriguez is from our upper grade building, and I got that email first. And then the first one from Jefferson, who told me yesterday, was Juliet. So thank you both for giving me that. Here's a bonus thing. There are actually 7 colors in the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Indigo is sort of a purple blue, and violet is purple. So there you go. All right, guys, so the question for today: what color are zebra stripes when zebras are first born? What color are the stripes on a zebra when they are first born? All right. And Lions, we are working on responsibility for this month of January. So when your teachers are putting in for Lion of the Month for January, what they're looking for is who is responsible, who's showing responsibility. And then those of you guys that got Lion of the Month for November and December, we were trying to make the poster to get that up. Poster makers acting funky. So we're going to get the poster maker fixed. So that's why your poster is not yet up in the cafeteria, but we will get it up there. All right, I have a few shout outs. This is a shout out for Kira in 1L, Mia in 3L, Yorley and Selena in 2L from Rosalie Hurtada. I'm not sure what the shout out's for. She just wrote you guys' names down. Miss Yessie wanted to give a shout out to 2nd grade in the cafeteria for having good manners. When she was in there last week, she said 2nd grade was the best in there. And I have to agree, yesterday, with all the craziness of rainy days, second grade, you guys did an amazing job in there. All right, shout out also from Miss Zoida to Michael Lancy for showing kindness and respect in the classroom and on the playground all day on Friday. She wants to thank you for being an example of roar. Great job, Michael. Keep up that good work. Ladies and gentlemen, I love getting shout outs from your teachers and from other people on campus. So make sure if you get a shout out, we're super proud of you. And that just means you went above and beyond the expectations of roar. All right, Lions, that is all I have for this terrific Tuesday. Remember, Lions, we are one school. We have one goal, and that's to learn every day. Success is not an accident, it's a choice. I want you to make that choice today. All right, Lions, it is now time for the flag salute.